Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Dexscreener in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit Dexscreener.com. Then visit their official website. Then after logging into their official website, you have to choose the Solana network from there. Have to choose Solana. You can choose it. This should be somewhere here. Here you can see this Solana. Tap onto this option. Click the connect wallet button from there. You'll see a connect wallet button from here. First of all, you have to sign in for that. Sign in using your preferred option. Then after signing in, you have to connect your Phantom wallet to it. You have to go to Phantom wallet. You have to add Phantom wallet to your Chrome or your browser extension, any browser you're using. So you just have to download for Chrome, then have to add it. So as I already have, let me find the option. What is Phantom? This should be somewhere here. I will go. So you have to click connect wallet button from the list of available wallets. From here you can see you have to search for Phantom. Search for Phantom. Search for the Phantom option, then tap onto that. Now you have to approve the connection, and then if you're connected, you will be able to view real-time token charts, track prices and liquidity, and even trade directly on Dexscreener using your Phantom wallet. So that's pretty much it. Now you will all set to explore the Solana ecosystem right from Dexscreener. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.